I will spend less minutes than the last speaker. No, because he's done a summary of what I wanted to say. All I wanted to say is that Tinubu is not our problem. The problem is the opposition. We are our own problem. When the opposition is ready, Nigeria will do what? Nigeria will change. The first thing he must know is that we must separate ourselves from the government in power. We must show the difference. I will repeat what I said in one of these conferences. I said to them that when I was in government in Buhari's time, Buhari wanted electoral reform. So a few ministers went to him, convinced him not to sign, that if he signed, Russia will hack the system and impose the wrong president on us. And he refused to sign. The same people are now shouting electoral reform. Tinubu will one day shout for electoral reform. He will. If he doesn't shout, those who are supporting him will do what? Shout for electoral reform. Tinubu is not a problem. You can't say your position and then see, watch the government, watch his pattern, watch even his strategy to win election. His strategy is simple. His pattern is simple. He tries something today, you are weak. He puts something bigger, you are weaker. Which president goes to France to give an award? Or which president goes to France when you are shouting, oh, this man is stealing our money, you're stealing our money to this man, and he still goes to that place. He's asking, what will you do? You can do what? The day you show him you can do something, God will bless you.